Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your LENOVO Tab M10, for the first you have to open the notification bar and activate Bluetooth. So let's tap on it and then click and hold. Do the same on the second device. Click to pair new device and just wait until they find each other. And as you can see here, I got my smartphone, so let's tap on it. Accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see right now they are connected and we can easily transfer files, for example, between them. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.